Hey, hi everyone, this is Prashant. Welcome back, you all. Guys, when you apply for a job and you call for an interview, there are various questions that are asked. And the better prepared you are, the more successful your interview would be. Now, you might have come across the various video online that talk about the most common interview questions and answers. But this video would be a little different. It's not just about the questions and answers. In this video we are going to talk about what exactly interviewer thinks when he asking certain questions, what exact answer he is looking at, and what are the common mistakes that you usually do. So without any further, let's have a look at the video, guys. The first most common question that is asked by the interviewer is, so tell me something about yourself, or he or she also ask the run me through your CV. Now here the interviewer is not interested in your answer. What they are looking at is your confidence, your enthusiasm, and the passion that you answer with. So it is the best time that you show of your communication skills. Now usually I have observed that many people end up saying, I love watching movies, I love partying, I have so many friends, so I really enjoying party. No, that's not the right way that you answer to this question. What you need to talk, what is your education, where you grow up, or you can also talk about your past experience if you have any, and your personal interests. For example, you can say, well, I grew up in France and I studied accounting. I also worked for an accounting firm for about 8 months, and I really enjoy numbers. So maybe that's exactly the reason I love to solve them. Solving them is so much fun, and in my spare time I like reading and also go out jogging only if the weathers allow me to. So that's the way you would answer to this question. The second most popular question that is asked by the interviewer is, what are your strengths? Now here the interviewer is looking at how positive you think about yourself. It's quite a general question, that's not right or wrong answer to it. But if you give out one liner such as, oh, I'm very friendly person, I love being with people and people love being with me. So that just doesn't sound great for an interviewer, isn't it? So what you can say is, my strongest trait is attention to detail. I totally believe in planning and execution. So in fact, even when I was in college, I used to really organize my week, and many people, because of my very outgoing nature, many people have said that I am quite approachable. So I believe these are my strengths. The third most common question that is asked is, what are your weaknesses? So here for this question you need to not be really negative about yourself. I have heard people saying, well, I am very impatient person, or people also say that I get angry. Well, that's not the right answer. Maybe that is your weakness, but you need to not bring it out. The best answer to this, because what is the interviewer is looking at is whether you can identify your weakness and how you can cover it up. So one of the examples that you can use to answer this, I think my weakness is that I am way too detail oriented. I try to accomplish everything, and I just want everything to be perfect, but then I realize that I am losing out of time. So maybe that makes me submitting these project pretty late. So I think that is one of the weaknesses. So here basically what you are doing is you are displaying that maybe you run out of time, but you are also giving a very positive aspect to it, that you are perfectionist, and that exactly what we say as strength in the previous. So question 2. So I think this is one of the best ways that you can answer to this question. The next common question that is asked is, where do you see yourself in 5 years from now? Or the interviewer might also ask that what are your long term or your short term goal. Now here I have seen people really struggle to answer this question. Well, maybe because you yourself have no idea where you would like to be. So usually people end up saying I would like to be the CEO of this company, I would like to own my airlines. So that's not sound right. Okay, so what a good answer to this question would be, because here the interviewer is looking at how committed you are gonna be to this company. A very clear path with commitment, because you know what the attrition rate these days. So he wants to know how long would you stick to the company. So one of the best answer that you can give would be well, 5 years from now I think I would like to be in management position. Till then I would like to gain a practical experience and then eventually become a manager. Of course I would like to share and also learn a lot of new things from my team members. The next most popular question that is asked is, so tell me something about our company, or what do you know about our company. Now here the interviewer of course has knowledge about his own company, right, that he is working for, but he is looking at is whether you are serious about this job or not, whether you have just come for one of the random interview. So many people are usually let down because of the lack of the research about the company. So what you need to do is research. Go online about the positive attributes about the company, learn about their products, their history and etc. So one of the best way that you can answer to this question is, well, your company is very well known for the customer service and you also won an award for the best service provider in the country, and of course you also have a great clientele. So that's one of the best way that you can answer this question. So guys, that brings me to the end of this lesson. I hope all of these questions and answers are helpful for your interview. I'll see you soon in the next lesson. Till then, keep watching, keep learning and stay home, stay safe. Thank you guys.